Hey, how you doing? Tech support. I wanted to make this little video for you. Um, on the I made something of my own here. A little bit harmony. Um, it's an Ionian mode, and I think it's the first inversion of the Ionian mode. Um, if you look at the transposition in here, now this is an Ionian mode. I can see over here that you have the different degree of the scale, like the Ionian, Dorian, Phrygian, Lydian, Mixolydian. But that's not going to change. If I change keys, someone told me that if I change keys, it would change. Yes, it would change the key. I'm going to show you right now. If I change from C, I change to D, it's going to be D Ionian major. This is not going to be a Dorian. Okay. From what I understand from this is that you have to do different settings for that to play a different degree of the scale. It's not going to be like if you are in the major scale. If you change to Dorian, yes, it's going to change to Dorian. C Dorian. D Dorian. I'm sorry, which belongs to the C major scale. Okay, so and then if I change it over here, come over here to the Mixolydian, which is the fifth degree of the scale of supposedly, I think it's let me see, it's C, I think it is, right? Yeah, there you go. No, well, that's going to be an F major 7. You belong to the F major 7. The Mixolydian mode, I'm going to change it plain. See, you don't have, you don't have nothing over here. It's going to change to Mixolydian in whatever key you change. But that doesn't mean if you change keys, you're gonna hit a different degree of the scale. This is I don't know. If I don't understand something, tell me, because I don't know what you did in here. The only thing that I can think of is if for me to harmonize in different scales, you have to set it up in different presets. I don't know. That's a waste of time, though, man. you know, because I mean, let me say to you an example of what the harmonizer does, though. Okay, it doesn't harmonize in different degree of the scale like you put it over here. It harmonizes by the chords. It goes by the chords. You don't go by the chords, and you're not going by you're only going by one degree of the scale. This is it right here. It's the contact, and then it's called the straight ahead jazz horns. Now let me show you something, though. C major 7 is going to change to D minor 7, which is the Dorian mode. Check this out. I'm gonna play an Ionian mode. which is in the C major scale. Okay, then I'm going to play a Dorian mode, which is in the C major of the scale. Okay. Okay, then I'm gonna play. It's a Phrygian mode, which is the third degree of the scale, if I'm not mistaken. A Phrygian mode. Okay, and this is going chromatic. Okay, I'm gonna play now the Lydian scale, which is the fourth degree of C major 7. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to play the Mixolydian, which is the fifth degree of the scale, which is a G7. Okay. I'm going to play the Aeolian, which is the sixth degree of the scale of the C major. All right. The Locrian mode, which is the seventh degree of the scale. They put it here as a B minor 7, but I think it's the same as a B diminished. Okay, this is what I call a different, because it's harmonizing by the chords, not by the scale. You going by degrees of the scales. You're not going by chords, and you can only play. Well, what you did, you can only play only one degree of the scale. Okay, guys. So, I hope that in the future you can do this thing of harmonies and stuff like that, but with the chords, not with the scale. Now watch what I do. This is the same as E major 7. You flat the fifth, but they put it here sharp. You can play over here. You can play over here the melodic minor. All right. So I mean, this is so because when you change in the left hand, see you're playing F diminished 7th, F diminished 7th. Okay. It plays whatever you tell it. E flat major 7 augmented 7th. Okay. Which is a playing. I think it's a C harmonic minor. All right. This is what I call harmony. You're changing chords, and it's changing also changing the degrees of the scale. But over here, what you did, you can only go by one degree, which is in this case Mixolydian. I can come in here and change it. If I want to play on an Ionian mode, I change it over here and I go and change it over here. But that's not like that, guys. All right. So, I hope in the future you make something to change chords and change also the degrees of the scales and stuff. Okay. Thank you very much. Hope you understood. Hope to hear from you soon. God bless.